Market's about to open. My top stock for the watch is IONM for the possible downturn break and continuation. We already got the downturn break confirmation. I'm honestly looking to buy this for a momentum play to squeeze up over 6. I'm going to look for a nice washout down to 5. If I can get a washout down to 5, get filled, look for a nice push up to 6, maybe 650. Very, very quick, very, very in, out, in, out, in, out. And it looks like IONM has a very low float, under 10 million. So this thing can absolutely rip. This thing can absolutely run. So that's what we're going to be watching. Wait for a nice washout. Awesome. And then we're going to just wait. I mean, I'm going to take profits quick. I'm going to scale out into this level. Again, it depends on the momentum. I might take some at 50 cents, a dollar. It just all depends. We also have AMTD looking to pop up, but before we got into it, we have 2 minutes left. We have to remember that we are consistent. We follow our strategy. But everything is random, so you have to always manage your risk. Never risk more than 3%, and it's okay not to trade. Cash is a position. Always use a hard stop. Now we'll always have 3 reasons to jump to every single trade. Have consistent position size. You will always have losing streaks. Trading is a business. Take every trade seriously. Make it in line with your strategy because it's going in your logbook, and only trade strong trends. So there we go, guys. We have around 1 minute and 20 left until market open. I am watching IONM for the possible bounce. RGNX will probably be $100 within 12 months. Guys, if you guys are wondering why the market is right now, if you look at the SPY, look at the Qs, everything's dumping. What it is that the jobs have actually increased. People have been taking more jobs. So what this really means is that the Fed can be more aggressive with interest rate hikes, meaning that they can raise interest rates, meaning it's more expensive to borrow money because of the more jobs that there are. That is why we think the alpha day trading family thinks that we're dumping at the moment. But again, we're not going to be taking puts on that because anything's possible. All right, here we go, guys. We have 40 seconds left until market open. Let's see what happens. I'm going to looking for a nice quick washout long down to 5. And then see a nice move. 24 seconds. I think we're about to see this thing absolutely rip to the upside. I think we're about to see this thing ripped up to $6. But it is Friday, guys. You got to remember, you got to take profits quick in this market. And we are live. I'm not going to chase it. I want it to come down. I wanted to get in around 5. I'm not getting it, and it could still rip to the upside, but wasn't the risk that I was willing to take at the moment. But I still think we could see this absolutely move. Oh man, I shouldn't have done that. That was a terrible idea. But it's working out. It's working out. I'm going to sell 50 there just because it was a bad entry, bad fill. I have 100 shares left in this position with 543 is my entry. Jumped in way too early there, but I'm going to hold this just for a little bit. Oh yeah. I got to flatten this. I got to take it. Yeah, what a shitty trade. Just a bad trade. I got greedy, wanted it to pop, just didn't see it. That's unfortunate. It's okay. It's okay. Wanted to pull back here and I didn't even get it. See what happens here. I'm not following my strategy. I'm just jumping, getting FOMO, wanting to go in, guys. That was just unfortunate by me, just having a bad trade.
Yeah.
What's up? What do you think about Snap? Not too sure, not too sure. Right now I'm gonna be focusing on IONM. Alright, let's see this pullback. I jumped in way too early. I had to cut it on IONM for a small loss just because I got greedy and wanted to get the squeeze up to 6. Unfortunate. We have KSPN starting to move. We might have a mid-candle breakout. There's the mid-candle breakout. Let's see this quick pullback. We're starting to get, where's the halt level at 578? There's not enough volume for me to take that. ASPN halted to the upside, it looks like. I want to see a nice strong close from IONM. Gosh, I got super greedy there. Don't even know what the fuck I was thinking. Just bought in super high. Gotta cut it for small loss. Need to rush in my entries. Baby, tell me what it is. ASPN halted. The upside, just not enough volume. Good mid candle breakout. I still think we have room. IONM has room up to 6. Not too sure about anything else. Yeah, what's this? The SPY's at a 10, 410. I don't feel that new. Might have a red to green move possibly. Didn't want to take some heat. Yeah, that's way too long. No, it's noisy. That's fair. We very light volume on IONM now. Let's see it start to flip. Let's see the bears take over, and then the buyers absolutely absorb them. There's a pop lower, 450. Let's see. I want to see a nice strong close here. On this candle, I want to see a bounce off 440. I'm watching IONM, but it has some movement to the downside, which is fine. Hello. How you guys doing? How you guys doing? All right. KSPN was halted at 9:35:24, 9:32:25. We're gonna be live at 9:37:25. Around a minute and 20 seconds. Oh yeah. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, don't like that candle. Glad I cut it quickly for decent loss, but all. KSPN is going to be live here in around 20 seconds. We have halts we have a level at 7:30 and 6. Let's see where this gaps up. That's bids. So I think we're going to see this kind of gap up pretty high. Should have been up. We should have gapped up. Maybe it's a 10-minute halt for KSPN. I'm going to wait just a little bit because the unhalts have been very, very strange timing. Looks like it's going to be a 10-minute halt for KSPN. IOM. IOM is absolutely dumping. Now we're starting to get some volume. I really don't see anything else that's a good play at the moment. Might have a good play at AMTD here in a couple. HKD halted to the upside. Sympathy for what? Oh, AMTD. HKD didn't halt. Oh, it is halted. Oh my gosh, it moves so fast. Yeah, it's crazy. It's like... Alright, KSPN was halted at 9:32:25. We're going to be live at 9:42:25. Possible red to green move on KZIA. I want to see IO and M continue to. I want to see IO and M have a nice strong push back up over the high, over the trend line, but I'm not too sure if that's going to happen. Peggy's ripping. Yeah, but we might be able to. We get this high a day break. What's going on with Peggy? Don't really see news, but we have volume. Don't break here. I know you want to pull back just a little bit more. KSPN's going to be unhalted here in around a little less than a minute. Yeah. All right, let's see it start to unhalt. My guess is 20 seconds. At 23 or 25. It's also a mid candle breakout. Room up to 7. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That is a crazy gap. Come on, see this pullback. I was looking to jump in for the halt, but I didn't want to. What? No. That's way too high. It needs to pull back more. What a gap up. Holy shit. No. Yeah, pull back to this halt level. It can just move. Yeah. Halt level to the downside's at 594, so like if it comes down to that level, we're gonna get halted downward. This thing could still rip up. I mean, 717 is the halt level to the upside. Come on, pull back more. I know you want to. Nope, there's ripping. There it is. Here comes the squeeze, but I'm not going to chase it. For what? No, it's going to rip. That was a crazy gap up. Everyone's watching it. All right, I just jumped in with 200 shares just to start out, looking to scale with the rest on KZIA. Want to see a nice pop here. Not getting that. I have a hard stop below low a day. I want to, once we start getting that action to the upside, I'm gonna start to, if we get that action to the upside. I don't like that might have been a little bit early. I think we have room up to VWAP. We break this downtrend. But I do have to cut it if it cuts below 218. Make it 214. Yep, I'm gonna get stopped out here. That was a I took KZIA for the break. I saw some volume coming in for the pop higher. I didn't get stopped out yet, but I'm just gonna let it play out because you never know if this candle starts to get a good soaker, push back above 225. Is it moving? Yeah, I saw. I don't know. I'm not too sure. All right, let's start to see this pop. Start to see this squeeze higher. Or not. The buyers aren't there. At a low a day. Oh, might get some snappy action. No, doesn't look like it. Oh yeah, I like that. Oh, I jumped in. Wait, there it is. Yeah, I scaled in with the rest. Let's see. We got some volume off that level. I'm in at 220, 223 KZIA. I saw some volume bounce off this. Yeah. Yeah, low a day, 214. I like that volume. I want to see a nice break here. 221. That's what I'm thinking. There's possibility. Let's see this. I'm in at 223. At 233, I'm going to take some. Well, I'm risking 14, so I'm risking. And since I'll take some at plus 1R, take some more plus 2R, and then more at VWAP. Man, that wasn't a good, we had a nice small volume, but just not getting that action over it. Nothing's doing good. I mean, I'm down on the day. Like 40, 50 bucks. No, but I think I'm about to be down here, Joe. Three, two, one, and I'm filled. No, I'm not. There it is. Dude, what? That was a fucking terrible fill. Jesus. Alright, I'm done for the day. Down 80, 90 bucks. Just stupid trading by my part.